What is up, you guys? I get this question all the time. How do you trade news? First, you need to know what news is happening actually, and you can check it on this website, forexfactory.com. It's a completely free website. You can change the clock to your settings right here, and over here you can see the date. So today is 23rd of March, and we see that we have quite a lot of news today, and the market moved in pretty big ways today. And if you didn't know that news was happening, you could be thinking like, what the heck is going on? But if you know that there's news going on, you can prevent it. You can get out of your positions beforehand. Everything with a red envelope is high impact news, so you don't really need to pay attention to these yellow ones. Sometimes the orange ones do affect it a little bit, but not as much as the red ones. Those are the ones that you really need to pay attention to. So today's Swiss franc at 10:30 my time, and Great British pound at 2 p.m. and all of the USD pairs at 2:30 p.m. Here's a little tip: with the USD news, everything gets affected. So when there's high impact USD news, every single thing will get affected, including stocks, including crypto, including all Forex pairs. So USD high impact news is the stuff that you really got to look for, especially like CPI data, FOMC, stuff like that. Today was high impact news, but unemployment claims don't screw up the market too much. Interest rates and stuff like that really affect the market, so you got to pay attention to those. My strategy is actually really simple, and over here there was news, as you guys can see. And what I like to do is I like to wait a little bit after the news, so like 10 to 15 minutes after the news, and see what the market has done. Usually if it's not CPI data or something, you can look for a potential reversal like we did over here. I waited for it to dump. I saw, okay, there's a lot of support over here and it was becoming oversold. So what I decided to do was I started to long over here. I held it, obviously didn't hold it that long. I actually cashed out over here, but I went in quite big with a tight stop loss, and I got a nice gain from there. Same goes for market openings. Wait after the market has opened, maybe 15 to 30 minutes, and then see what the market has done and then make your move. It is usually a reversal. There are some instances with a really high impact news that it just keeps going in one direction. Unemployment claims are not that high impact, so you can trade a reversal. If you're a complete beginner, I would avoid news completely. I would not trade it at all because it's just very risky, but it is good to keep track of the news. Let's say, for example, tomorrow, Euro is going to get impacted during the London session, Great British pound as well. You see all these high impact news, you gotta be careful. Tomorrow is gonna be a very jumpy market all over the place. I'm going to avoid the Euro and the Great British pound in the morning, and in the afternoon I'm probably going to avoid the US dollar and Canadian dollar and see if I can maybe catch a reversal somewhere. I hope that clears it up a little bit. It's very hard to predict what the news reaction will be instantly. Wait 15 minutes to 30 minutes after the news and see if there's an opportunity for a potential swing trade, a reversal. You can make some good gains with that. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.